Welcome to a Triton training video. This tutorial will show you how to set the date, time, and change the passwords using the web interface. There are many ways to access the Triton's web interface. The most conventional method is a hardwired Ethernet connection to the local area network of a building. Another option for remote access is an Ethernet connection to a cell modem. There are also options for local access, such as the built-in Wi-Fi hotspot of a cell modem. Another is a little device we call Tri-Fi that can be built right into the enclosure of the Triton. And a third option for local access is a simple USB cable connection. Then just run your favorite web browser and enter the appropriate URL. You may need to add /default.asp. Every time you access the Triton's web interface, it'll ask you for a password. I'm going to log in with the default admin password. We'll show you how to change those in a moment. If you click log on without a password, you'll normally get read-only access unless that feature's been disabled. The Triton will always go to the system status screen first. The large advertisement just shows the dashboard has not been set up. On the left side is what we call the left side list or left-hand list. These items correspond to the top-level menus on the Triton's front panel. Let's go to the home screen edit menu. Here you can change the top row text to identify the Triton, change what 6 devices are shown in the status display on the front panel, change from Fahrenheit to Celsius. 2 things you'll always want to set up are the date and time. Very easy, just click edit, click today, it'll grab the date from your computer, then just click the yellow box to accept that date and click OK. The time is also easy to set up. We do have a rechargeable battery, but when you take your Triton out of the box, it probably won't be fully charged, so you'll probably have to set this date and time. Same here, just click now, it'll grab the time from your computer, and then click OK, and the Triton will always go to the 00 seconds of the hour and minute that you chose. Also, with your new Triton, you should really change the default passwords. You do have to be logged in with the admin password to see and change passwords. Our default passwords are very easy to guess, so for security reasons you should change them. I'll put in the default admin password, very easy to guess. For this demonstration I'll just use ABC, something simple. You'll probably want to use a more secure password. You should also change the password for user 1. By default he has all the control and change access of admin. Put in the new admin password. The user 1 password is equally easy to guess. For this demonstration, I'll just use 111. Numeric passwords are also the easiest to enter on the front panel, so that's a consideration. User 2 by default has very little change access, but you might as well change that password too. It's just as easy to guess. For this demonstration, I'll use 222. There, and I've changed the passwords. You can also turn off read-only access or change the no activity timeout. This is how long you can be in the front panel menus without pressing a key before you're logged off and you'd have to re-enter a password. Here is where you can adjust the control or change access for user 1. You see by default he has change or control access to every Triton menu, but you can just put a no on any menu in which you don't want to allow changes. User 2 by default has only change access to 3 menus, and there's really no settings in any of these menus, but you can adjust his ability. Here in the password access, user 2 can only change the no activity timeout. And that's how easy it is to change the passwords. Yes, it was just that easy to set the date, time, and passwords using the web interface. Let's put a big green check on this one because we're done. Thank you for watching.